This boat is a new 2023 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Here it's shown with the glacier green hull, a very nice color, and it's factory equipped, comes on the galvanized trailer, and you can see the trailer has the spare tire with a galvanized wheel. This boat's powered by a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke, and you also see it is factory equipped with the black Sunbrella bimini top. Got stainless steel steering wheel. This particular boat does have the plexiglass windshield. It's just not installed at this moment. This boat is at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong. It is available for sale at this time. You see the two 6-gallon portable fuel tanks, the stainless steel wheel, the battery box under the driver's seat. 2023 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport in glacier green with a 90 horsepower and a bimini top. Thank you.